You are into, sir?
I'm an incubator.
Incubator.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So I'm with iCreate.
I create. So
Yeah.
what kind of work like you work?
So iCreate is India's oldest standalone incubator based on the outskirts of Ahmedabad.
Okay, sir. That's
Okay.
great.
So my role is I handle the incubation function over there.
Okay, so
So what do you want to know?
So basically, I want to know how is your experience going? Any startup that catch your eye, and anything related to healthcare that you know about?
So there are many.
Questions?
No.
In what?
No. As in, there are plenty of startups that catch the eye. There are startups that are doing good. There are startups that are doing technically good, and then there are startups that are struggling in the initial stages of marketing. Okay, and getting the sales act through.
Yes.
It's a common story. It's some crack it faster, some struggle over it,
Yes, sir.
and that's what we are there to help.
Yes. Sir.
So for startups that are incubated with us, that's a key aspect of guidance that we give on that transitioning from what they think is a market ready prototype to a real product and then going to the market.
Yes, sir. Every startup needs that kind of guidance.
Yes, no, what I wanted to say was the good thing, the positive thing is that there's a lot of enthusiasm in the youth. There's there's an sense of excitement, and that's a positive thing for the country.
Yes. Sir.
Okay, it's good to have that.
Yes, sir.
अब वो इस struggle में कुछ लोग, some people will do well, some won't do well, they all know it,
Yes.
but they're making an attempt, and that's what is heartening.
Yes. We ourselves also, so my name is Kavleen. I'm the business lead of GetMed Job. So basically it is an online job platform only for healthcare sector. So there is no specific portal right now for healthcare sector jobs. So we are here bridging the gap between candidates who want to work into healthcare sector and employers who want to post out the jobs in there.
Can I give a suggestion?
Yes, sir.
Unsolicited is still on record.
Definitely, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely.
That will help you far more
Okay, sir. That's very
Than
good
this.
suggestion, sir.
Than
I
this.
can see your experience.
than this.
You can,
Okay?
sir.
Go for it.
That's
Increase
great,
that
sir.
presence.
We are here for the recommendations only, feedback.
Don't worry.
Thank you so much, sir, for the insight.
All the best. Good talking to you.